commending the awardees of Metrobank Foundation Outstanding Filipinos of 2025.
Majority Leader.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, I move to recognize the distinguished gentleman from San Juan, no other than Senator Jinggoy Estrada, for his sponsorship of the measure.
Senator Jinggoy Estrada is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Ginoong Pangulo, mula po nung ako po yung naging senador ng 2004, taon-taon pong binibigyan ng pagkilala ng Senado ang mga natatanging lingkod bayan na pinarangalan ng Metrobank Foundation. Continuing the annual tradition of the Philippine Senate honoring exemplary public servants, I join my esteemed colleagues in sponsoring this resolution commending and congratulating the 2025 Metrobank Foundation Outstanding Filipino Awardees. Sa panahon na headline ng katawilaan, kasinungalingan at paglustay sa kaban ng bayan, kayo po ay mga buhay na patunay na higit na nakakarami pa rin ang mga kawani ng pamahalaan na tapat na nagsiservisyo, may malasakit sa taong bayan, at katuwang sa pagunlad ng bansa. You all stand as beacons of hope and role models for honest and dedicated public service. Nakakatuwang isipin na ang naibigay na number sa ating isinumiting resolusyon ay 100 na tila nagbibigay ng perfect score at kudos sa ating mga awardees. My sincere congratulations to our 10 distinguished teachers, soldiers, and police officers who have all demonstrated excellence, competence, and integrity throughout their professional career in the academe, peace and order, and security sectors. Master Teacher Noel Sadinas of Casibu Nueva Vizcaya, Engineer Armando Perfecto Molino of Los Baños, Laguna, Dr. Maylene Uy of Iligan City, Lanao del Norte, Dr. Angelo Mark Walag of Cagayan de Oro City, Colonel Joey Fontiveros, AFP Cyber Command, Philippine Army, Colonel Ricky Canatoy, 4th Infantry Division, Philippine Army, Cagayan de Oro City, Underwater Operationsman First Class Andrew Anthony Toralio of the Philippine Navy, Cavite City, Police Colonel Frederick Obar, PNP Directorate for Plans, Police Major Elmira Relox, PNP Regional Office, Bangsamoro Autonomous Region, and finally Police Master Sergeant Ivan Velasco of the PNP Police Security and Protection Group. As your former chairperson of the Senate Committee on National Defense and Security, Peace, Unification, and Reconciliation, I would like to personally give special citation to our outstanding soldiers. Tanggapin po ninyo ang taus-pusong pasasalamat at pagsaludo sa inyong sakripisyo, kabayanihan at dedikasyon sa tungkulin sa gitna ng napakaraming hamon at banta sa ating kapayapaan at soberanya. Rest assured that this representation will continue to author and push for the enactment of measures that will advance the welfare of our soldiers and veterans and adequately support the needs of the defense establishment. Thank you, Mr. President and my dear colleagues.
Majority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, I believe that you will just insert into the records your sponsorship speech. Is that correct?
Yes, I will just insert into the records the copy of my sponsorship speech.
Thank you, Mr. President. Therefore, we move to the third sponsor, no other than our distinguished former Majority Floor Leader, Senator Joel Villanueva, our Deputy Minority Leader.
Senator Joel Villanueva is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you, Majority Leader. Mr. President, esteemed colleagues, it is with immense honor and pleasure that this representation co-sponsored the resolutions recognizing and congratulating the 2025 Metrobank Foundation Outstanding Filipinos, being the author of Senate Resolution number 109. Since its founding in 1985, the Metrobank Foundation Outstanding Filipinos has celebrated 725 outstanding teachers, soldiers, and police officers who have dedicated their lives to the service of the Filipino nation. In fact, in 2016, Mr. President, this representation had the privilege and blessed of being chosen as the chairperson of the final board of judges in the search for outstanding teachers. In recognition of the exceptional contributions of our outstanding fellow Filipinos to their communities, the Senate annually honors the Metrobank Foundation awardees. Kaya Ginoong Pangulo, ngayong hapon pong ito, kasama po natin ang 10 sa mga kababayan natin na kumakatawan sa tema ng Metrobank Foundation na Beyond Excellence. Time and again, we have mentioned in this great hall that the difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra. This perfectly captures the intention of this award, Mr. President. Our awardees this afternoon went above and beyond the call of duty. Ang mga pararangalan po natin ngayong taon ay tumugon sa tawag ng tungkulin at nag-apply sa kanilang serbisyo para sa kapwa at sa bayan ng buong husay at buong tapang. Hayaan yung kilalanin ko ang bawat isa sa kanila, Ginoong Pangulo. Sila po ay sina Noel Sadinas, Nueva Vizcaya's Champion for Global Citizenship Education, Master Teacher 2, Macalong Elementary School, Nueva Vizcaya. Amando Perfecto Molin, Los Baños Mentor for Future Leaders, Secondary Teacher, South Hill School, Incorporated, Los Baños, Laguna. Maylin M. Uy, Lanao del Norte's Trailblazing Chemist for Nation Building. Professor 6, Mindanao State University, Ilagan Institute of Technology, Lanao del Norte. Angelo Mark Walag, PhD, Cagayan de Oros Pioneer for Experiential Learning. Professor 6, University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines, Misamis Oriental. Mr. President, these 10 individuals embody the very best of who we are as a people. True to this year's theme, Beyond Excellence, they are extraordinary examples of progress, integrity, and selflessness, dedicating their lives to uplifting others and making a lasting difference in their communities. Sa pangwakas, Ginoong Pangulo, I'd like to thank the Metrobank Foundation, headed by its president, our good friend, dear friend, Mr. Philip D., for their unwavering commitment to honoring excellence and promoting a higher standard of public service. Muli, sa inyo pong lahat, maraming salamat at mabuhay po ang 2025 Metrobank Foundation Outstanding Filipinos. Maraming salamat, Ginoong Pangulo.
Maraming salamat, Mr. President. Mr. President, we'd also like to insert my, just to hasten the proceedings, Mr. President, because we have about 8 more members who want to deliver their sponsorship speeches. I'd like to insert for the record my sponsorship of this measure. Very important resolution.
So inserted.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, we'd now like to recognize Senator Bam Aquino, the distinguished gentleman from Tarlac and the Republic of the Philippines.
Senator Bam Aquino is recognized.
Maraming salamat, Mr. President, Mr. Majority Floor Leader. I'm very happy to co-sponsor Senate Concurrent Resolution Number 90, entitled Honoring and Commending the Awardees of Metrobank Foundation Outstanding Filipinos of 2025. Let me first commend our Senate President for sponsoring this resolution. This measure honors these outstanding Filipinos and also serves as a reminder to us of how great leaders can uplift their communities and bring people together for the common good. I must also commend the Metrobank Foundation for the Outstanding Filipinos program, which celebrates its 40th anniversary this year. Through the years, this Professional Career Service Award has inspired generations of Filipinos to pursue excellence, hindi lang bilang isang layunin, kundi bilang panghabang buhay na pangako sa sambayan ng Pilipino. Mr. President, sa harap ng dami-daming issue sa ating lipunan, mahalaga na ipagbunyi natin ang husay ng mga bagong bayani, mga guro, sundalo at pulis. Ang 10 Pilipino pong ito ay nagsisilbing game changers dahil sa mga panibagong programa at inobasyon sa kanilang trabaho. So let me say a few words for each of them, and may I request them to stand up as I mention their names. Unang-una po, ang ating Metrobank Foundation Outstanding Teachers. Pinararangalan po si Ginoong Noel Sadinas bilang Outstanding Filipino dahil sa kanyang pagsulong ng edukasyon para sa indigenous people sa Nueva Vizcaya at sa pangunguna sa SPED class para sa kanila. Dahil sa kanyang dedikasyon sa nakalipas na 12 taon, nakilala din po si Ginoong Sadinas ng iba't ibang international organizations na nagbibigay ng karagdagang karangalan sa ating bansa. Maraming salamat, Teacher Noel. Sunod po, pinararangalan po si Engineer Amando Molin bilang isang outstanding Filipino dahil sa kanyang kontribusyon sa peace building at sustainability sa komunidad po niya sa Laguna for over 23 years. Dahil sa kanyang trabaho bilang guro at mentor, nabawasan ang pambubuli sa paaralan at maraming mga estudyante ang natuto kung paano maging mas innovative at creative. Maraming salamat, Engineer Aman. Sunod po, pinararangalan si Dr. Maylin Uy bilang isang outstanding Filipino dahil sa kanyang pagpapalakas ng science-related graduate program sa Mindanao. Sa loob ng 32 taon, naging inspirasyon din po siya sa isang buong henerasyon ng mga Filipino scientists. Dahil sa kanyang walang sawang pagsasanay sa mga guro at pag-coach sa mga estudyante sa research, napakita po ni Dr. Mylene na sa kabila ng limitadong resources, maaaring makamit ang excellence sa larangan ng agham. Maraming salamat, Dr. Mylene. At panghuli po sa mga outstanding teacher, si Dr. Angelo Mark Walag. Pinararangalan po siya dahil sa kanyang pangunguna sa experiential learning program sa Cagayan de Oro na gumagamit ng mga research-based at innovative na learning materials para mas madaling maintindihan ng mga estudyante. Ang trabaho, mga initiatives at programa ni Dr. Jello sa nakalipas na 13 taon ay nagpapakita ng kanyang dedikasyon na bigyan ng real-world skills ang mga mag-aaral habang binibigyang lakas ang mga gurong Pilipino. Maraming salamat, Dr. Jello. Maraming salamat sa mga guro po natin at Happy National Teachers Month din po. Hangang-hanga po kami sa inyong dedication, innovation, creativity at community-orientedness. Sigurado kami na dahil sa mga guro tulad nyo, maliwanag ang kinabukasan ng ating mga kabataan. Mr. President, nais ko pong ulitin na mahalaga, sa totoo lang po, mas mahalaga pa ngayon na ipagbunyi po natin ang mga totoong public servant. Mga tao po na nagbibigay ng kanilang oras, talento at buhay para sa ating bayan na wala pong hinihinging kapalit. Kaya po ang Metrobank na ang nagbigay parangal sa kanila at tayo po ngayon sa Senado nagbibigay ng tamang parangal sa kanila. Kaya kami po, hanga po sa Metrobank Foundation Outstanding Filipinos. Sila po'y nagniningning ehemplo ng serbisyo at kung paano po tayo dapat magsilbi bilang kawani ng gobyerno. Dear colleagues, this is why I rise today to co-sponsor this resolution, to honor these Filipinos who have given decades of their lives to serve Filipino communities across the country with honor, dignity, integrity, and excellence. Muli po, congratulations sa ating awardees. Maraming salamat, Mr. President.
Senator Sherwin Gatchalian is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, esteemed colleagues, I'm honored to stand before you today to sponsor a resolution celebrating 10 remarkable individuals, the Metrobank Foundation's Outstanding Filipinos for 2025. Napapanahon ang gantimpalang ito, Mr. President, sa kabila ng talamak na korupsyon, sa issue ng mga flood control projects at sa pagkawala ng tiwala ng taong bayan sa pamahalaan, hindi lang basta naging mahusay ang ating mga pinararangalan. Sila'y huwaran ng sipag, integridad at profesionalismo, mga katangiang higit na kailangan sa panahong ito. They have gone beyond excellence. They inspire us, challenge us, and remind us most vividly that the doors to the virtues of integrity, patriotism, social responsibility, and courage are opened by challenging the ways things are. Alam po natin na napakalaki ng papel ng ating mga guro sa paghuhubog ng kinabukasan ng bansa. Dahil sa kanilang tiyaga at malasakit, nabubuksan ang kaisipan ng ating mga kabataan na hasa ang kanilang kakayahan, talino at dunong para makamit nila ang kanilang mga pangarap at makatulong sila sa pag-angat ng antas ng pamumuhay sa kanilang mga komunidad. This year, we honor 4 distinct educators who exemplify the very best in the world's noblest profession. Noel Sandinas is a trailblazer in basic education. One of his many accomplishments is the pioneering of the first special education class tailored for learners who are from our indigenous peoples. His work has earned both local and international recognition. He is truly one of Nueva Vizcaya's brightest inspirations. Engineer Amado Perfecto de la Cruz Molin has devoted more than 2 decades of his life in inspiring our youth, teaching them to confront the most pressing social issues of our time and passing on the values of kindness and empathy. The 2 flagship programs he founded, Youth Universal Collaboration for Sustainability and Kindness for Peace, are models that other communities and organizations can follow. Dr. Mylene M. Uy is one of the nation's brightest minds. She is renowned for her contributions in the field of natural products chemistry. She pioneers efforts to drug discovery and development with a particular emphasis on Philippine medicinal plants from Mindanao. Her legacy lives on, not just in her body of work, but in the many students and teachers she has inspired to follow in her footsteps. Dr. Angelo Mark Walag is shaping the landscape of science education by seamlessly integrating technology with accessible, engaging instruction. His work on scientific literacy inspired him to develop training modules for elementary science teachers. Dr. Walag institutionalized a continuing professional learning course that equips alternative learning systems teachers with structures training across multiple strands. His work has become a blueprint for other divisions in the Department of Education and continues to make an impact on the lives of students and teachers for many years to come. To the men and women of the Metrobank Foundation, you have my sincerest gratitude and admiration. For 40 years, this award has upheld the finest Filipino values. Beyond the recognition and praise that come with today's ceremony, the Metrobank Outstanding Filipino Awards serve as a beacon that expands our horizon of aspirations. It dares us to take on the challenges of our time and move past the deficiencies of mediocrity, complacency, and indifference towards a fairer, kinder, and more equitable vision of the world. Thank you to all that you have done and for all you continue to do. Muli, congratulations sa ating 2025 Metrobank Foundation Outstanding Filipinos. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Mr. President, Majority Leader. Mr. President, it is my distinct honor to co-sponsor Senate Resolution Number 90. With this resolution, we commend the Filipinos whom the Metrobank Foundation awards as the Outstanding Filipinos of 2025. Today, with renewed vigor and inspiration, we honor 10 new individuals who live individual lives following this year's theme, Beyond Excellence. Our teachers, number 1, Teacher Noel Sadinas of Nueva Vizcaya, for transforming seemingly hopeless dump sites into what I would call promising dream sites, where indigenous people have a learning and farming community. Number 2, Engineer Amando Molin, Sir Aman, as his students call him, of Laguna, for recognizing that the learning of empathy is just as important as the learning of gravitational theory. Number 3, Dr. Mylene Oy of Iligan City, for raising Mindanao students to world-class standards in science education, and for likewise helping them believe in a world far larger than their own. Number 4, Dr. Angelo Mark Walag of Cagayan de Oro City, for knowing perfectly well that learning and playing are not opposites, and instead they perfectly complement and support each other, especially in science education. Ito yung mga panahon kung saan lagi ko nang nababasa sa social media ang mga katagang, ang hirap mong mahalin Pilipinas. Sa kasalukuyan, marami sa ating mga kababayan ang lubog na sa tubig ulan, lubog pa sa utang. Mabuti na lang, Mr. President, dahil bawat taon, hatid ng Metrobank Foundation ang isang magandang balita. Kay rami pa rin ng mga bayaning Pilipino. Mahirap man mahalin ang Pilipinas, marami pa rin mga Pilipino ang nagsusumikap na gawing mas madali ito dahil ang kanilang mga trabaho at papel ay patuloy at walang sawa nilang ginagampanan. Madalas, ang binibigay nila ay higit pa sa kinakailangan. Alam kong taon-taon binabaha rin ang Metrobank Foundation ng mga application at nominations. I cannot imagine the difficulty that the Metrobank Foundation encounters every year in attempting to narrow down the awardees to just 10 outstanding Filipinos. But somehow, they have managed to do it for 40 years, which is why we are now honoring the honorees for 2025. To the awardees I say, may your tribe increase. Huwag kayong magsawang mahalin ang Pilipinas. Huwag din kayong magsawang maging dahilan upang lalong mahalin ng bawat Pilipino ang kanyang bayan. Alam kong hindi madali, alam kong may mga bagay na hindi natin naiintindihan, pero sa tulong ninyo, sa tulong ng inyong napakagandang halimbawa, maiahon din natin ang lubog na estado ng ating bayan. Walang katapusang pagpupugay sa inyo, walang katapusang bayanihan. Maraming salamat, Mr. President.
Majority Leader.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, next to sponsor the measure is a distinguished gentleman from Pampanga, Cavite, and Republic of the Philippines, other than Senator Kiko Pangilinan.
Senator Francis Pangilinan is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you, Majority Leader. Mr. President, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, it is with pride and pleasure that I rise before you today to co-sponsor Senate Resolution Number 90 and give tribute to Metrobank Foundation's 10 outstanding Filipinos for 2025. Nakakatuwa at nakakataba ng puso dahil 20 years ago, naging chairman naman ako ng Board of Judges para sa final nominees sa search ng Metrobank Foundation para sa outstanding teachers noong 2005. Nakakatuwa at nakakataba ng puso dahil 40 years na ang pagpaparangal at pagbibigay pabuya. 1 million pesos kada awardee ngayong taon na ito ng Metrobank Foundation sa mga bayani ng bayan habang sila'y buhay pa. Nakakatuwa at nakakataba ng puso dahil bagamat parang nilulunod na tayo sa mga scam at skandal, marami pa rin sa ating mga lingkod bayan ang tapat at totoo sa kanilang mga sinumpaang tungkulin. Swak sa timing itong parangal para sa 10 katangi-tanging mga Pilipino ng taon sa larangan ng edukasyon, peacekeeping at defense. Swak sa timing na may headline naman ang mga nag-alay ng kanilang dugot, pawis at luha para sa serbisyo. Swak sa timing na pasikatin naman natin ang mga kawani, ang mga empleyado at opisyal ng gobyerno na may K, may D at may I. Kakayahan, dedikasyon, integridad. Sa gitna ng krisis sa edukasyon ng ating bansa, nariyan si Master Teacher 2 Noel V. Salinas ng Macalong Elementary School, Nueva Vizcaya. Nariyan din si Engineer Amando Perfecto C. Molin, guro sa South Hill School, Los Baños, Laguna. Nariyan din si Dr. Maylene M. Uy, Professor 6 ng Mindanao State University, Iligan Institute of Technology. Si Dr. Angelo Mark P. Walag, isa ring chemistry professor naman, 6 ng University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines sa Cagayan de Oro City, Misamis Oriental. Together with the Metrobank and our outstanding awardees in public service, the nation is in good hands. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Senator Pangilinan.
Thank you very much,
Majority Leader.
Senator Pangilinan. Mr. President, next to give her sponsorship speech is a dear colleague of ours, our distinguished gentle lady from the province of Antique, Malabon, and the Republic of the Philippines, other than Senator Lauren Legarda.
Senator Lauren Legarda is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Distinguished colleagues, it is with great honor that I rise today to co-sponsor the resolution commending and congratulating the 2025 Metrobank Foundation Outstanding Filipinos. Every year, this recognition reminds us that true public service is alive in the everyday acts of our teachers, our soldiers, and our police officers who carry out their duties with integrity, courage, and compassion. This year's awardees, educators who nurture young minds, soldiers who safeguard our sovereignty, police officers who ensure peace and order, embody the finest values of service to our nation. At a time when public institutions are often met with skepticism, the lives and the work of these 10 outstanding Filipinos serve as beacons of hope. Maraming salamat po sa inyong dedikasyon at serbisyo.
Majority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, next to sponsor the measures, our distinguished colleague from Taguig, Pateros, and the Republic of the Philippines, Senator Pia Cayetano.
Senator Pia is recognized. Pia Cayetano is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Today, I rise to co-sponsor Senate Resolution Number 90, honoring and commending the awardees of the Metrobank Foundation Outstanding Filipinos of 2025. It is my honor, Mr. President, to deliver this co-sponsorship speech as I was once, as a very new senator, one of the judges of the Metrobank Foundation. The Metrobank Foundation Outstanding Filipinos Award is a celebration of what is possible when public service is performed with honor, excellence, and heart. For the award for teachers, before I continue, Mr. President, let me just say that I abbreviated the speech I will deliver because our colleagues have enumerated their many accomplishments. So for the award for teachers, let me start with this. I've been blessed to grow up with a teacher by my side, my mom, Sandra Cayetano, and my paternal grandmother, for whom I was named, Juliana Cayetano, was also a teacher. I know how valuable it is to have teachers who truly care. These awardees plant the seeds of critical thinking, compassion, and resilience in the mind of our youth. During this day of digitalization and AI, that is what counts, Mr. President, the soft skills. That, to me, is nation building in its purest form. Mr. Noel V. Sadinas of Nueva Vizcaya, known as Nueva Vizcaya's champion for global citizenship education. Mr. Amando Perfecto Molin of Los Baños, Laguna, known as Los Baños Mentor for Future Leaders. Ms. Maylene M. Uy, PhD, Mindanao State University, Iligan Institute of Technology, Iligan City, Lanao del Norte, known as Lanao del Norte's trailblazing chemist for nation building. And Mr. Angelo Mark P. Walag, PhD, University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines, Cagayan de Oro, Misamis Oriental, known as Cagayan de Oro's pioneer for experiential learning. Mr. President, amidst all the challenges in our educational system, learning gaps, resource shortages, and the recent learning recovery crisis, these educators rise above and go beyond. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Senator Christopher Bongo is recognized.
Mr. President, bilang isang Mindanaoan at isang Batanggenyo, it is my great honor to co-sponsor Senate resolution honoring and commending the awardees of the Metrobank Foundation Outstanding Filipinos of 2025. Taon-taon ating ibinibigyang pugay ang mga natatanging individual tulad ng mga guro, sundalo at pulis na nagsisilbing huwaran ng kagalingan, katapatan at malasakit sa bayan. Sa kanilang walang sawang paglilingkod, pinapakita nila ang tunay na sukatan ng tagumpay, hindi lamang ang sariling kapakinabangan, kundi ang kabutihang na ibabahagi nila sa kapwa at sa sambayanan. To our awardees, this honor is a fitting recognition of your professionalism, competence, and integrity, an expression of our gratitude for your service to the country beyond excellence. Mr. President, the 4 outstanding teachers we are honoring today have contributed to the improvement of the quality of education in our country, They have played a significant role in molding the minds of our youth and shaping the future of our country. I would like to express my gratitude to Mr. Noel V. Sadinas, Nueva Vizcaya's champion for global citizenship education, Mr. Amando Perfecto C. Molin, Los Baños Mentor for Future Leaders, Miss Maylin M. Uy, Lanao del Norte's Trailblazing Chemist for Nation Building, sa Iligan po ito, Bisaya. Mr. Angelo Mark P. Walag, Cagayan de Oro's Pioneer for Experiential Learning. To the outstanding teachers, thank you for taking on the critical role of guiding, molding, and inspiring our nation's future leaders. May you continue to impart knowledge among our youth and continue to be pillars of education. Ang pagkilalang ito ay hindi lamang parangal, kundi isang paalala na may mga Pilipinong handang magsakripisyo at magsilbing ilaw at inspirasyon sa gitna ng mga hamon ng ating panahon. Isa lang po ang paalala ko sa inyo, unahin po natin ang interes ng bayan, unahin po natin ang interes ng bawat Pilipino. Once again, I congratulate and thank the 10 Metro Bank Foundation outstanding Filipinos for their excellence and dedication to their respective fields of service. Maraming salamat, Mr. President.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, we'd just like to put on record, Senator Mark Villar would like to just insert into the records his sponsorship speech. And we also was requested by the former Senate President, Senator Escudero. He also submitted his co-sponsorship speech to be submitted for the record, Mr. President, and inserted into the records. So just for
All
the
right, so
information.
inserted into the records as manifested by the Majority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, no other member wishes to interpolate or propose amendments to the measure. I move that we adopt proposed Senate Resolution number 90, taking in consideration proposed Senate Resolutions number 100, 109, 118, and 121, subject to style, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, proposed Senate Resolution number 90, taking into consideration proposed Senate Resolutions 100, 109, 118, and 121, subject to style, is hereby adopted.
Mr. President, may we also make all members co-author of the said resolutions, Mr. President.
Hearing no objection, the
President.
motion is approved. Everyone is made co-author.
Thank you, Mr. President. May we ask for a minute suspension to have a photo opportunity, and you can also give the resolution to the
Session is
Senate.
suspended.
Thank you, Mr. President.